Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Take Two Raw Talks. And on our special episode, we have Anamika, Sejal, and Gayatri with us. So first of all, thank you for taking your time out and coming here with us. So without further ado, let's start with the topic of discussion, and that is K-pop. Since when are you a K-pop fan or a K-drama fan?
Honestly, I've started watching K-pop and K-drama since 2016 when I was in 10th, and I started with K-drama. उनके सॉन्ग्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं, सूदिंग होते हैं. जैसे अगर BTS की बात करें तो दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू डेट, क्योंकि अभी अपन ने ऐसी कभी कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं सुनी है. जैसे अपन ने एक्सो की सुनी है कंट्रोवर्सी से रिलेटेड, डेटिंग एंड ऑल. वो लोग दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू डेट. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कि आपको आर्मी में जाना ही पड़ेगा. आप मतलब यू आर व्हेन यू आर 30 एंड ऑल, तो आपको आर्मी में जाना ही पड़ेगा. तो मोस्ट
Right,
ऑफ द टाइम K-pop डिसबैंड हो जाता है उसकी वजह से.
right,
तो वो
right.
चीज थोड़ा हर्ट करती है.
I think I started watching same 10th standard because to skip the tension and all. तो मैंने तभी start किया था. And after 2017-18, I found K-pop also very interesting. I think K-drama, what is refreshing about it is very, the humor is very relatable, or it is very wacky compared to Hollywood, and and
Right.
yeah, so it's quite subtle or quite wacky. You can't really predict. The thing I like about K-pop or the Korean industry is the visual presentation.
Right.
I think it's because they had a breakthrough in the 90s through TV. So because of that, they emphasis more on choreography or on visual presentation. So I think I like that. But the same thing can also be as a drawback. They have these unnatural, beauty standards
Yeah,
for
right. Right,
so
right, right.
they are pressurized into plastic surgeries like blind like surgery and so many. So I think that's one drawback.
I think I've been a fan same like them since 2016 when I was in 10th. And I first heard BTS, of course, and the song was so soothing and you don't understand the lyrics, but uska jo meaning nikalta hai lyrics ka, and the song is meant. और उनके mainly जो albums हैं, they're like Love Yourself. Those albums have songs which are related to depression, anxiety, and suicide related stuff.
Right.
So इन सब चीजों से fight करने में उनके गाने से और बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुन के. And same with great dramas, they have a very good plot. Trust me, they have a very.
Not really sure when I became the member of the army because I was going through YouTube and suddenly this song called Blood, Sweat and Tear came into my recommendation and I'm like, wow, crazy. Their production value is crazy. Right. So that's the point wherein I just became a fan of the army. I just became member of the army. Right. And then I just wanted to explore. So who's your bias and why do you like them so much?
I can't like discriminate, but I like Jimin and V a lot. Like another level पे मैं उनको प्यार करती हूँ.
I think RM, Rap Monster, is phenomenal. And he's so open with his theories and
Yeah, right.
so vulnerable. Sorry.
My bias is Jungkook. He's very talented. I think RM is my bias too. He's a very smart guy. His English is mind blowing. मतलब, he has a
he's
very
he's carrying the whole group only because of
uh,
his English.
he's like
For me, my bias is V,
Yeah.
and I have only just one reason, and that's his voice. His voice is so unique. The phase where I went to behind the scenes, and from that point, Shoga was my bias. In general, we all love BTS, right? But what's this one other group that you really like apart from BTS?
EXO. I like EXO.
I think two, Monster X and Astro. Yeah.
Okay, Sejal.
I think I like 17 and EXO.
Okay, so yeah, going forward with K-pop in general. So when people come across you and they see that you're listening to K-pop, so what's their first reaction and how do you actually deal with people who say अरे ये K-pop में क्या सुनते रहते हो यार, तुमको समझ में क्या आता है, ये तो चिकने हैं and stuff like that. So how do you deal with those situations?
फर्स्टली तो उनको पहले समझाना पड़ता है कि ये मेंबर्स हैं और इनमें से कोई भी सेम नहीं दिखता है, सब अलग अलग दिखते हैं, क्योंकि सबका कहना है सब तो सेम है, डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करते हो, तो पहले बताना पड़ता है सब अलग दिखते हैं, इनका नाम ये है। देन उनको स्टार्ट करवाना पड़ता है, जिससे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, जैसे मैंने ब्लड स्वेट एंड टीयर्स से किया था, तो उनको वो सॉन्ग पहले सुनाना पड़ता है कि बहन तू ये सुन, फिर धीरे धीरे वो लोग फिर सेजल और मैं तो अलग ही लेवल।
Okay, Gayatri.
I think generally whoever has approached me about K-pop, they have this already they have set of thinking that they are going to just sing about love and breakups and all. So at that time I show them BTS. I tell them that they are talking about our problems. BTS literally means bullet proof for youths. So I think that changes their opinion at least a little bit.
Sejal.
It's just same like Anamika. जब भी कोई आता है बस यही बोलता रहता है कि हाउ डू यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन देम, कैसे सब एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं, एंड मेन थिंग इज कि समझ कैसे लेते हो तुम इनकी भाषा। एंड आई एम लाइक ओके, जैसे तुम अपनी पंजाबी सॉन्ग सुनते हैं वैसे ही हम अपने कोरियन सॉन्ग सुन लेते हैं, इट्स जस्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड देम।
For me, like even in the four out of four of us, I'm the only boy, right? So there's this stigma that why am I listening to BTS? Because my majority of my conversation are with boys. So whenever I tell them I listen to K-pop, अच्छा वो जो लड़कियों जैसे दिखते हैं, I'm like तो उनके गाने सुनो ना यार, तो उनकी दाढ़ी पे है, उनके दिखने पे क्या है? And also people don't know this, but I can only talk about BTS because मैं BTS को बहुत religiously follow कर रहा हूँ. तो when you actually put their videos and their series together, they actually create a message far beyond your normal understanding. Apart from K-pop, right? In your drama or movies or whatever you guys see at a regular basis, what's that one or two series that you actually want people to see? कि यार ये तो देखो ही, and don't tell them about Parasite because it's already very popular, right? So Parasite is already out there. So people who don't know, Parasite is actually a South Korean movie. And also Gangnam Style was also a South Korean song. So that they are actually out there. Got that vibe. So what's that one movie that you'll recommend? Or one series that you'll recommend कि हाँ ये तो देखो बहुत ही खतरनाक है.
So I have two movies. First is Train to Busan और second है Real.
हाँ ये मैंने
रियल
देखी.
में हाँ, रियल में वो एक ड्रग के बारे में बताते हैं, वो पूरी स्टोरी उसके अराउंड रिवॉल्व होती है, वो बहुत अच्छी है, मतलब दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा। मेरे लिए
Cool.
तो डार्क थी मेरे हिसाब से, डार्क
हम्म,
सीजन 3। और ड्रामा तो बहुत सारा है, लिस्ट ही एंड नहीं होगी मेरी। डिसेंडेंट्स ऑफ द सन,
Ah.
हाँ
दैट्स इट।
मैंने मेरी लिस्ट में भी है. Shit.
I don't really watch movies, but drama may I think fight my way. So that is really interesting for youths. They want to know.
Movies, I also don't watch movies that much, but dramas में there's one I recommend, The Inheritors you also call it,
Yeah,
and one more it is Suspicious Partner.
yeah.
It's very, The Inheritor, it has a very revolving story. It has a story of many families and their hardships and what all their family problems they have in their life. And this other drama, Suspicious Partner, it's a, suspense and crime. It's all about law and stuff.
I
So
am actually the opposite of you guys. I don't want to get into K-pop because I know once, sorry, K-drama, because I know when I get into it, वो दलदल है मेरे लिए और मैं डूब जाऊंगा उसमें. So risk, I can't risk getting into that daldal. So for me, I only watch movies. Obviously, Parasite was out of bounds. Like, but there are tons and tons of movies which you can actually see. There's this one movie Extreme Job, I think it released this year in 2019, and it's almost competing with Parasites in terms of money earned. It's action comedy movie. Yeah, that's what the category is. It's an amazing. If you guys haven't seen that, see that movie. It's really very funny. I just wanted to let our viewers know it is today is Army Day. The army is BTS fans. So guys want you to let's have this moment wherein we can put this out in our what do we call, yeah, photo for
Thumbnail.
us. My last question would be, what do you say to people who degrade the K Korean industry in general? Like, what that one thing you'll say to them?
जब तो जानता नहीं है तो बोल मत भाई, प्लीज.
I think if Korean industry is too feminine for you, then reevaluate your values.
तो भाई एक बार सुन के देखो, ऐसे दिल छूर की तरह, मतलब दिल से गुजर जाएगा मतलब.
Very similar to everything you guys said. Like, it's a combination of everything you guys said. कि अगर तुमको इतनी दिक्कत है तो मत सुनो, मत देखो. हम मैं तो तुमको प्रेशराइज नहीं कर रहा, तुम ही सामने जाए ना कि कैसे दिखते हैं ये. तो दैट्स राइट कि तुमको देखना है तो तुम देखो. आई जस्ट वांट पीपल टू नॉट हेट ऑन पीपल हु आर इनटू के पॉप और के ड्रामा. क्योंकि तुमको नहीं सुनना तो that doesn't mean कि you imply your ideals and your thinking over someone else. So with that, we conclude this episode of Raw Talk. Thank you guys for being here, and have a nice day.